Hi, thank you very much for being here. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to add a side menu like this in your Wix website. Let's come to the computer screen, and here is the dashboard of my Wix website, and you have to click here in site and app setting website, and in website you will click the edit site. Let me delete these already created objects. So the game is going to start, and you have to click add element, and in add element you have to go to interactive, and in interactive you will have to insert some side bar objects like this. Subscribe, click and drag it to this place. Here we go. Now you have to delete all of these items. That's good. So now you have to put a menu at this sidebar. Add, and here you will see menu or anchor, and now you can see here is my menu. You have to drag it and put it here, and you can resize it. So this is a way how to add your side menu in your Wix website. Now you have to publish this. Done. Let me see here. Close this. Oh, sorry. Exit mode. You are not seeing it here. So for making it visible, you have to click add, and then you have to put some image or object where you will link this menu. Let me search some object like arrow. Here is it. You can see these arrows are here. You can put it here. Now you can move it to different angle, and then you have to link this object with lightbox. Here are the lightboxes. I'm going to put this. Okay, now the job done. Save it. Okay, publish. Let me refresh this. You can see our button is here. Click this. Here we go. So this is a way how to add a side menu in your Wix website. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.